So today we are in my hometown, Reggio Emilia, and I'm bringing you together with me, yes of course, around my city. So I will show you a little bit. It's a pretty city. It's in Emilia-Romagna. It's between Parma and Modena, and actually Parmigiano Reggiano is made in my city. You know, Parmigiano from Parma, Reggiano from Reggio Emilia. Not only, actually, in my city the Italian flag was born. So I will show you maybe also the tricolore, camera tricolore. So the three colors chambre. And let's go. I have also to make my knives sharpen, actually. So let's go to Artino. So that's my mom, and we just had lunch together. And even though we are in Emilia, we were supposed to eat something typical from my city, like tortelli, erbazzone, cappelletti, and so on. Well, at the end we stopped in this new place. It's called cacio e pepe. So it's like a typical Roman cuisine. It was really good. My mom is laughing. I don't know why. Maybe because of the cacio e pepe. Anyway, it was really delicious, and yeah, so if it happens that you are in Reggio Emilia, of course, eat first our typical cuisine. This cacio e pepe restaurant, which is really small, is super cute, really nice, good food.